Hello and welcome to Food Photography, Styling, and Retouching. My name is Aaron Nace and I'm so excited to bring you this full-length tutorial that covers everything we need to know to photograph, style, and retouch food. I'm excited to bring you this tutorial for two different reasons. The first is during the tutorial, we actually outline the entire process of client interaction. This is a real person who needed photos for their fledgling business. So we go through everything from interviewing the client, figuring out what they want to say with their brand, and getting an idea of the types of images they want to make. Then we go through the entire photographic process with styling and lighting and making sure that all the food looks beautiful. And then we take things through post-production using Lightroom to choose our best images and Photoshop to do things like compositing and retouching. We even go over specific examples on how to capture images that are going to be perfect for your client's marketing needs. The second reason I'm excited to bring this tutorial is that we go through 3 different photo shoots all the way from building the set to post-production, starting off with tabletop photography on white, which is going to be perfect for e-commerce. We show you how to make sure that the background is 100% pure white. This means that wherever your client decides to put these images, whether it's in marketing, social media, or on their website, it's going to fit perfectly with text and other elements. In the next photo shoot, we focus on building a stylized food photo with other elements in the image that help tell the story of the food. In this case, we're photographing blueberry banana bread, and we bring in different elements like fresh blueberries, a glass of milk, to help give it a sense of space and scale and help the viewer imagine how that might fit into their life. And while photographing food and products on a pure white background is incredibly important, these stylized shots help to tell a little bit more of a story and are perfect for marketing and advertising. The last photo shoot in this series, we change things up a little bit. Here we're shooting with natural light, and we bring in people for some hero shots, like the first banner you might see on a business's webpage. In this case, we're shooting with a longer shutter speed, so our products look beautifully still, but we have a little bit of motion with the hands reaching for the cookies. And after getting the perfect shots in camera, we take these into post-production where we composite different photos together to add more variation. We also show you how to shoot and work with negative space in your images, allowing your client the ability to add their logo or any text or branding they'd like to those photos. So if you're just starting out or a seasoned professional, all you have to do is have an interest in food and taking beautiful photos. This tutorial is perfect for you. With everything from styling, lighting, photography, and retouching, it's the one-stop shop for better food photography. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the tutorial.